Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make Terry's chocolate orange cookie bars. Let's begin. You can go ahead and grab yourself a bowl, and into the bowl place your butter, your granulated white sugar, your brown sugar, and mix them all together until they are light and fluffy in colour and consistency. This takes a couple of minutes, to bear with it. So once the mixture is fully combined, you can then go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then add your eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition. You'll notice that the mixture becomes looser, but this is completely fine and will be fixed when we add the dry ingredients later on. So add both your eggs and mix until fully incorporated. Again, you'll want to give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in. Next, you can add your dry ingredients, passing them through a sieve first to remove any lumps that may be in the dry mix. Oh, and don't forget to add in the chopped Terry's chocolate orange, and then give it all a good mix on a low speed to start with, working up to a medium just until a clear dough forms, being careful not to over mix the mixture. You can then grab yourself a lined 8x8 square inch cake tin and place your cookie dough straight into it, leveling it out as best as you possibly can using either a palette knife or a small crank palette knife like what I've got. Again, use whatever you've got. When it comes to baking, all of that information will be on the blog post, so don't forget to go and check it out if you're interested in making this recipe. So when there's about 10 to 15 minutes remaining on the timer, you can then go ahead and add on your Terry's chocolate orange pieces on top, and then put it back in the oven to bake for the remaining time, and this just helps them melt into it a little bit. So here are what the Terry's chocolate orange cookie bars look like once they're fully baked and cooled. You can then cut into them. I cut it into 8 generous sized portions, but you could always cut them in half again, making it into 16, but again this is completely optional. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with some more videos for you, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the links in the description. There'll be a link to the blog post, a link to my blog, and a link to all my social media, so don't forget to go and check me out on all of those. And until next time, bye guys.